खड़ी होती हेमा मालिनी, हेमा मालिनी।
बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना।
क्या बात है, हम जाके बताएंगे कि आपसे बढ़िया एक्टिंग किया। I have to say that word, Basanti, because the moment I say, they wait for me to say that. The moment I say, then there is a big, happiness. That happiness is so wonderful to see on their face, because their Basanti is asking for a vote.
आज तेरी बसंती की इज्जत का सवाल है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी में जिताओ आप लोग।
Bollywood's Basanti, making an easy transition as she takes on a political avatar in the land of Lord Krishna, ready to woo the Braj Bhumi as she contests from Mathura on a BJP ticket.
I am from BJP and मेरे हाथ में कमल का फूल है, तो कमल का फूल क्या होता है?
For people who say that Hema ji comes with her trappings of being a Bollywood star, how would you, counter that argument?
I am a Bollywood star, so you cannot deny that. I am, and people love to see me, people love to take a picture with me. I'm very happy about it. As an artist, they have given me a lot of due. They have love and affection, I can see a lot. And they are supporting me. They are supporting me. There's another reason is also Modi ji. Modi's wave is so much. They all want Modi, Modi, Modi. Even small children, I just ask, तुमको मालूम है कौन है मोदी? हाँ मालूम है. Because everybody is saying the child also wants. So that is a wave, and everyone wants a change, which is very important.
The dream girl selling Mathura a dream, making it clear that if she wins the people's mandate, there will be visible change.
We are standing in the middle of, nowhere. It's actually very sunny, but people also say that the dream girl is selling a dream inside her Audi. But here you are standing right in the middle of a harsh sun. So to those.
So you are going to come with me today. You will know what I am doing,
right,
and what I will be doing.
Right.
See, I put my this thing because a lot of people throw flowers.
Yeah,
Then what happens? So many insects are there. They all go into your head, body. So that is why I cover myself. Then I request them, please don't throw the flowers. Give me the mala or whatever you want in my hand.
Hema Malini is no stranger to politics. A Rajya Sabha member for 6 years since 2003. Her husband Dharmendra was also a member of parliament from Bikaner.
He was very much reluctant. Why do you want to do this? Because I have a bad experience. Nahi? I mean, see, we are an artist. So what happens, a lot of crowd, the people who are concerned also comes, who are not also come and bother us a lot. So that becomes a little problem. Now we won't understand for some time who is right, who is wrong. So that is a problem. Otherwise, he has done a lot of work in Bikaner. आज तिवारी जी, आज इसमें जा रही हूँ मैं. हाँ हाँ पीछे आइए आप बैठो. एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मैं आपको नहीं बोलूँगी. जैसा वो माइक बाहर निकालते हैं ना, इनको जो बैठते हैं मेरे साथ, उनको पकड़ के रखना मुश्किल होता है. So one of the कार्यकर्ता should come and lift it up so that the audience can hear. Okay? Immediately you tell somebody, पकड़ो ऊपर. छाता रखा.
Meetings, rallies and road shows. Her party campaign managers have made sure her day is packed. A people's person, Hema Malini works her charm at her rallies.
राधे राधे। बांके बिहारी लाल की। बांके बिहारी लाल की। वसुदेव सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानंदं कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरुम्.
a politician, but a woman first. She reaches out to woo the women voters in her constituency.
मालूम आप भी स्त्री हैं, हम भी स्त्री हैं। आपकी गाँव में फूल फैलाएंगे सेंद्रिय में।
मुझे मालूम है यहाँ पर स्त्री होते हुए स्त्री का जन्म नहीं होने देते हैं। पैदा होने से पहले ही उसे मार दिया जाता है। इस बात को मैं ज़्यादा यहाँ पर नहीं बोलना चाह रही थी, लेकिन मैं इस पर ज़रूर ध्यान दूंगी।
So how do you feel seeing so many people turned out for your speech?
No, they are very nice. They are liking it. I mean, not just liking. They want a change.
And you said that you are like Krishna's gopi over here.
Yes, I am because I am extremely fond of Lord Krishna. I feel he is there to help me.
Tired of broken promises, broken roads and a lack of basic amenities, people here are desperate for change.
जयंत जी को यहाँ से पहले जिता दिया था, बाद में उन्होंने किसी भी जनता की, किसी भी आदमी की कोई सूत्र बदल नहीं दी। आपको हम जिताते हैं, भारी बहुमत से जिताते हैं, क्या आप वापस ऐसे मंच पर आओगे?
आप मुझे जिताएंगे, मैं यहीं पे रहूंगी। ये मत सोचना कि मैं मुंबई चली जाऊंगी, क्योंकि मुझे ब्रिज में रहना है।
And Hema Malini promises to be just that.
So this heat is not affecting you?
It is affecting. I'm sweating so much, but it's just a matter of another few more days.
From being BJP's filmy campaigner for their elections to campaigning and asking for votes for yourself, how different is that whole feeling?
It's little different. It is little. In the beginning, I was feeling little different, but now I'm used to it.
हेमा मालिनी जीतेगी। हेमा मालिनी।
बच्चा आ गया मेरे पास। मन्नू,
हाँ, मन्नू।
मन्नू बड़ा सुंदर है। मन्नू देख रहे हो?
हेमा मालिनी। हेमा मालिनी।
From hectic rallies to road shows, people crowd the streets of Mathura to catch a glimpse of this Bollywood diva.
ब्रज की गोपी हूँ मैं। आप हमें वोट देकर जिताइए। आपके साथ रहकर हम काम करेंगे आप लोगों के लिए।
A quick pit stop for lunch and then she's mobbed by the crowds again.
कौन सा गाना गा रहे थे आप मैडम के लिए?
Some even insisting on singing to her.
ओ बाबुल प्यारी अरे रोई पायल की छम छम निकली सांसों सी सरगम निस दिन तुझी पुकारी मन
Such a tiresome trail. What do you do to keep rejuvenating your energies and keep fresh?
I forced them to off for 1 hour. Yeah. Not even 1 hour. I just had my food.
बचाना है, हेमा जी को लाना है।
देश को बचाना है। मोदी जी को लाना है। विकास चाहते हो ना आप लोग?
It's almost time to call it a day. Though riding on the Modi frenzy, Hema Malini manages to carve her own niche.
You have been traveling tirelessly and along your campaign trail. And the more I read or watched any kind of interview with you, it had some bit of bad press associated. Hema ji तो गाड़ी से ही नहीं निकलते, यहाँ पे तो आप हर जगह गाड़ी से निकल के you're addressing people.
Yes.
So it's saying a different story. So talk about the energy. How do you, what drives you actually?
I'm trained like that. Being a film artist, we have been doing so much of film shootings in all these fields and villages. The Pratigya shooting was done entirely like this village, so I'm used to it.
Sonia ji's comments on TV, you know, ridiculing BJP. If it comes to power, there'll be no Hindustaniyata, there'll be no, you know, it's going to ruin the nation. Things like those, comments like those coming from Congress and Sonia ji.
It is very sad. That's what I use that one Gita ka that shlok, you know, that is very much relevant here. Because all this nonsense what is happening in this country, it's all because of this party. They have not done anything for the last so many years. Now this is a time people are fed up, people want the change. So that change only Modi can bring.
आप